Do you want to make $4.70 right now, just like this person? He made $4.17 to view ads. Not only that, you can even click on one of these boxes and earn up to $1,000. Do you want to learn what the website is? Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos every single day. And the reason we do that is we don't want you to see any BS tutorials, long videos. We want you to see quality, compressed content where you can decide whether or not you want to go forward with a make money online method within 2 or 3 minutes, not 20 or 30 minutes. So you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to be ahead of the curve and learn about these methods first. And if you want to help us out, make sure you also like the video for the YouTube algorithm. And we will shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something funny down below, or your Instagram account, your YouTube account, TikTok account down below. I'll take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so if you click one of these boxes, you can win money. Like, this is one of the things you can do. The website is actually called gptplanet.com, and the total paid amount is $1.4 million. They have a lot of members, and you can earn money to click on ads. You can earn money to do this. They have bits walls. They have different small games they offer. And if you go on the main page, it says here that you can earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join. It's absolutely free. You just register, you earn, and cash out. And unlike other websites that want you to earn $5, $10, $20, $50 to cash out, this website only requires you to make $1. And the good thing about this website is, unlike the others, that you can actually get the money you earn, right? Because if you're going to earn a few dollars a day, getting to $50, it's gonna take some time, man. And $1, you can get that, you can make that, and you can withdraw with Skrill. I like Skrill because it comes to my bank account really fast. Nettler, Payer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin. Maybe I would choose Bitcoin now because Bitcoin's prices are going up. And one of the things you are going to be interested in is you can earn up to 100% on your referral earnings. So let's say that you refer one of your friends to the platform. If they start earning money with it, you make as much money as they make without spending any time. So this is mind-blowing and it's really interesting. I would be interested to check the platform out, and if you are, let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know what country are you watching this video from, because I'm really curious to know. By the end of this video, make sure you like it, and remember, this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence, yada yada yada, and a video a day gives a doctor away. By the end of this video, check this video out or this video out. See you next one. Bye.